Hi, to turn off your Poco X7 Pro, we got several ways. So you can do it with the help of buttons. And for that, just take a look at the right side of the phone. Here you should see power button and volume up buttons, which you need to press at the same time, and you'll see this power off menu. So if you want to turn off your phone, simply swipe up till the end to power off the phone. And also we got another way how you can turn it off without using buttons. And for that, go in settings. Here, scroll down till additional settings and then choose accessibility. After that, select accessibility menu and turn it on by tapping on the switcher. Here you can see what the service will perform these actions information, so simply allow it. And now you can see that this button appears on the screen. You can also drag it anywhere across the screen. You can hide it and tap, and then you should see this menu. So if you want to turn off your phone, simply tap power off and then swipe up to power off the phone. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.